Hi Eric, I'm delighted really to have this opportunity to join in the many tributes being paid to you this evening. You know the phrase, a great servant of the game, is often a much used term. Well, in your case, it's more than apt. You've worn the jersey of your club and your country with great distinction. You came to the Irish national scene when the rugby game was in that transition period from amateur to professional. And you went on to represent your country 35 times, scoring almost 300 points, a tally that to this day puts you in the top league of all-time scorers. That is a remarkable achievement and one of which you can be very, very proud. In Connacht, you are hero worshipped, and deservedly so. 24 years of loyal service as both player and coach, you brought Connacht Rugby into the top league of European football. You developed a game that has ensured that all clubs arriving in Galway to face Connacht do so with respect based on the belief that you have instilled in your players that they can compete with the very best. Who will forget that wonderful night against Toulouse in the first ever home game in the Heineken Cup? 9,000 fans roaring their team on to wonderful stuff. Eric, I'm sure that night will live with you for a long time. I suspect that your modest nature will shy away from the praise that is being lavished on you this evening. However, I know it's genuine and heartfelt and directed to someone who has served his club and country with a skill and commitment and indeed pride over a long and illustrious career. I want to wish you, Eric, and all your friends the very best in the future, whatever it holds for you. You are a leader and an inspiration to so many people, particularly the current generation of young players taking up the game. So I wish you and Tara and your family every happiness in the future. I would also like to recognise Johnny O'Connor and Adrian Flavin, two more wonderful servants of Connacht Rugby. So Johnny and Adrian, I want to wish you both well. I know that despite your supposed retirement, rugby and Connacht will always be part of your lives. You have contributed so much to the game and to the club's fabulous development, and that's a tribute to you both. I wish you the best in the time ahead. So Bíoch Ige Intachag Ar Fad. Have a wonderful evening. Thank you.